In front of me is Xiaomi Poco F4 GT, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this phone. So first of all, you need to reach settings, then find and select wallpaper. And now just pick the album that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. Choose the picture. Here you can see how it looks on your screen. It's also on lock screen, so just tap one more time to see the lock screen also. So I think we've got weak network connection. Here you can also pick some album. It may be easier for you to pick from some categories. Okay, so I've got weak network connection, but then you'll be able to see, for example, quotes, landscapes, then colors also. But let me choose something from system wallpapers, maybe this one, tap on apply, and then decide if you want it to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.